Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Msvcp110.dll is missing here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and from here, please type for services. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Here at the services, you need to select any of the service or system, type V in the keyboard, and look for this option. The moment you click on V, actually, you'd be redirected to the service starting with letter V. Here, you need to locate for volume shadow copy. Please do a right click and scroll down and click on properties. And under the properties, you need to change the startup type into automatic. Once you have set it into automatic, start the service and once it is running, click on apply and then OK. Once you're done, close the window and proceed to the next step. Our next step would be you need to proceed at the button search bar again and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please proceed with the best match and click on open to continue. The moment you are being redirected or being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the search bar and type for Microsoft Visual C++ download. Once you are done typing, click on enter to continue. And with that, you would be redirected to the list of results. So here, please proceed with the Microsoft.com website. Click on this link to see the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable downloads. So once you are being navigated in this window, please scroll down and look for this table. So this table, you would be able to see architecture, the link aligning to it, as well as the notes. So before proceeding on downloading such application, you need to identify first your system type. So how you can do so, please proceed with the button search bar and type for info. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear and that is the system information. Where here, you need to proceed on clicking on open. So the moment you bring up the system information, proceed with system type next to system model and here you would be able to see what system type you are having. So in case you have x64 then good and x86 then good also and x32 or ARM64. So any what any system type would be good, okay? And once you had find it, please close the window and proceed to the system type that is compatible. Proceed to the architecture that is compatible to your system type. Okay. So if you're having is x64 based PC, proceed with the third. If you are having x86, then click on the second link. And if you are having ARM64, then click on the first link. And if you are having an X32, then go with the X64. That's completely the same. Okay. So click on it. The moment you click on it, in my case, I have already downloaded such, and if I'll bring you up in my settings, you can see it there that it's being successfully installed here in my case. Okay, Microsoft Visual C++. But in your case, you have to install it. So click on this link, and once you have downloaded it, install it in your Windows, and wait until the procedure would be finished, and you're good to go. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If those steps help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.